When you are logged into Teams, you will see the class team that you belong to. Clicking on the class team will let you see the posts and announcements from the different channels your teachers have made. In this channel for English, for instance, you will see a link to the live lesson the teacher has added. And also in Maths, we can also see that there's a lesson that you've been invited to. If you want to see an overview of all of the live lessons you've been invited to, you can click on the calendar icon. When you're ready to join a lesson, click on the link and you will see a button to join the meeting. Click Join and then you will be given options to set your camera and microphone up correctly. Your teacher should tell you how they want you to enter the lesson, but do ask in case you're not sure. When your teacher is ready to start the lesson, they will let you in from the lobby and the lesson will begin. Remember to click the red button to leave the lesson at the end.